Alright friends, today I'm installing the Defiant motion security light. This is like pretty much the only plastic one I could find. I wanted an outdoor one that had motion sensor, about 13 bucks. I'll leave a link in the description below if I can find it. Anyways, let's put this on, shall we? Alright, I pulled off the old one. Check, make sure your wires are all good, not hot. Boy, you think we got enough screws in there? I don't know. Anyways. That's what we're working with here. And let's come out a little bit. Loosen those up a little bit if we can. Alright, so I'm just loosening, well, okay, there we go. Trying to get this light right on there. Okay. There's that. That one's also. So pretty much all you want to do is attach your black wire to the black and white to white. I don't know why, but they didn't give me ground here on this one. So we're just gonna put this the black wire on the black one. Put those together. Have a little party. There we go. Okay, next we're gonna do the white on the white. Try to get these wires kind of nice looking. Get our white wire. And put it on there. Okay. Oh my goodness, I messed up. It comes a little styrofoam thing, or a little foam pad. Got to put that on there real quick, so take that off, put the foam pad on there. Did that again, my goodness. Alright. Now let's get it back on there. Okay. Take the black one off also. And that's going to pass through there. Now our foam can go onto that. Let's get our wires straightened out there, shall we? Screw that back on there. Okay. Now, I'm going to push these as flat as we can back in there. Under the metal there, that'd be nice to hold it in place. Okay, like that. Now pretty much just get this flush, and what I would like to do is try to tuck all these wires up on the inside of the thing there. You can, just like that. And when you install this part's going down. Alright, so now pretty much this goes over that part. I'm just going to screw in these screws into there because it doesn't really have any place to tap into, so I'm going to screw it into the siding. But first off, this is going to go right into the hole here, which isn't there. So these are self-drilling screws. I'm just going to kind of screw it in there, call it good. here. No, not. Try to see if I can get the outsides here, maybe. Alright. All those wires need to be tucked in there nicely when they're not wanting to be tucked. Okay. That looks fairly straight. There we go. Alright, see if we can get these other 4 in there real quick. We got 2 in the bottom also that we're going to put in, just for good measure. It took a little while. And least but not last, this one right here. You know what? I'm just going to drill it. Got my drill right here anyway, so I'm just going to drill through that plastic. Alright. A little easier. There we have it. Nice and snug on there. And we can adjust these however you want. Right about like that, I think. And we're going to tighten these on there a little bit. As well as this here. So it move around a lot. Okay. Let's tighten this one on. Oops. This way, I guess. There we go. All right, let's get some light bulbs and test it out, shall we? Got some LED floodlights. Gonna kind of put those in there. You also run a bead of caulking around there too. This is up under the eave, so it should be all right. Let's turn it on, see if it works. So looks like it's doing okay there. So thanks for watching this video, how to install the Defiant security light.